The point that was coming to my mind is that we are also talking of a market. And the topic is regional films, whether they can reach out of their region, touch the world, can be accepted outside. We all know that like any other market, the market for film from the audience side, from the viewer side, is not static. Market changes. And today, if we relate, the speakers have talked about the contemporariness of Bengali films. I have seen quite a few. And today, when the young people as well as old people, they are traveling outside their state, outside the country, mobility has increased. Different cultures are mixing with each other. People are making cultural inroads into the lives of people elsewhere, which was not possible there 2 decades back, 3 decades back, when this exposure was not there. I think theoretically, yes, it should be easier, it should be more acceptable for a non-Bengali to empathize, to identify himself or herself with a Bengali film, at least with some of the content, storylines, the universal element, may not be the geographical location. And the point also remains, and today of course, incidentally, I really commend the efforts of Hyderabad Bengali today, because they brought this film festival, which is a daring move, because they know that the Bengali community here is not so large, though there is a substantial number of people. But then it also means that we have to create our audience. The very panel discussion today and all, we talking about it, possibly means that we have to tell that, look, Bengali films are not films made in an alien land with non-understandable story and all, but it is very much like any other storyline. It is very much like reflecting the lives of people as it is anywhere. Then having said that and all, I think the question also comes that we are talking of a situation where we may have to make much effort to create an audience, to spread the message about the regional films, that they are like any other regional films in many of the universal appeal. Now coming to Ratnattama's question, that governmental support, to the extent I know, of course, I have been working in Andhra Pradesh for the last 30 years. If I recall and all, even a decade back, the Film Development Corporation was was very active. It used to really support low budget films. I won't say art films, but okay, documentaries reflecting different lives, issues and all. But now I find it is a little moribund. Maybe that is because not so much that funding is not being done, but maybe because government has failed, that state should not control certain areas and all. State always feels that these are the areas where we need to support directly. Those are the areas where market forces only should take care and all. So therefore, I do not see any important role of Film Development Corporation by way of incentives and all, but there is one, and there has been in the past, may not be last few years, support for documentaries, for films, low budget films, for those who really wanted to do on some topical topics. Topical topics can be anything like child labor to sex workers and that kind of thing. They have been done. So this much, of course, I can say. But let me tell you, having said that, in Hyderabad also, Bengali films are coming quite regularly. There are a few, now that lot of multiplexes are there are quite a few multiplexes who have small halls, 35 seaters, 40 seaters, and maybe films are not lasting for more than 1 week, but they are lasting for a week. And in fact, I myself have seen quite a few latest ones in those halls. So of course, referring to Mr. Kingshuknag, yes, he has been very fearless in his talk, but he always gives the ulta impression, opposite impression, as if he is very averse to Bengali culture. But let me tell you, he is a person who definitely attends all Bengali programs, all Bengali cultural programs, all Bengali associations. So this much I want to tell. Thank you very much.